And then authorities say that same robbery suspect, police say authorities led them on a high-speed chase down Interstate 10. See the 12 News exclusive video of that chase that ended in Beaumont. Vote postponed. What Jefferson County official wants to table a vote on whether or not violent sex offenders should be housed at the Al Price facility. An update on our 12 News exclusive earlier this week. But first tonight, police say a two-state crime spree comes to an end for an Orange man. And 12 News was there for the final moments. Good evening, I'm Erica Harris. Thanks for joining us for 12 News HD. Ronald Rice II will be arraigned tomorrow on numerous charges, including aggravated robbery in Orange and Beaumont, two other robberies in Lufkin and DeQuincy, Louisiana. No bond for the robbery charges have been set. There's a $250 bond for an evading arrest charge after police say Rice led authorities on a chase starting at midnight from Orange down Interstate 10 to Beaumont. And you're watching now the 12 News exclusive video of that chase in progress. Our 12 News photographer captured video of the fleeing truck on East Lucas and Concord when sparks flying off the rims. Authorities say at times the robbery suspect they were pursuing reached speeds of up to 100 miles per hour on Interstate 10. The chase ended when police say Rice drove off a boat ramp and crashed into the water at the saltwater barrier, which is located in the 6800 block of Bigner, and that's where Rice was arrested. Orange police say this high-speed chase started after Rice robbed the Cypress Plaza store in the 7000 block of North Highway 87 in Little Cypress around 10:30 last night. Police say Rice used a gun. The store clerk was able to get the license plate number from that truck Rice was driving, and that's how Orange police located him, and that chase began. But before the high-speed chase began on Interstate 10 last night, authorities say Ronald Rice II first robbed a sandwich shop in Beaumont. 12 News HD reporter Ryan Henson has more on the exclusive interview with the cashier, who was shocked to find out the customer who entered the store wanted more than just a sandwich.
Yes, Erica, the store clerk said he came in frantically and demanded her to give him something, but it wasn't food.
First I said, Subway, eat fresh, and I said, may I help you?
But little did Subway cashier Karen Davis know, this customer was not there for a sandwich.
He told us to put our hands up. He was screaming and hollering. He said he didn't want to hurt nobody, but he was desperate, and he was serious about getting money out the cash register.
At that moment, Davis knew the sandwich shop on the 1000 block of East Virginia near Lamar University in Beaumont was being robbed by a man from Orange identified as 32-year-old Ronald Wayne Rice II. And it all went down just before 8 on Friday night. Davis could not believe what was happening.
I froze. I couldn't really open the register. My heart is still beating out of control.
Scared and in shock, Davis and her co-workers still managed to muster up enough courage to alert police.
I leaned and grabbed the silent alarm, and I held on to it while she had her hands on the cash register, opened the cash register, gave him the money, and he took off.
Davis says the robber cleaned out the cash registers, and he even took $2 in the tip jar. But thankfully, Ronald Rice, who authorities say faces robbery charges in 2 states, did not pull the trigger.
I'm just glad to be alive.
Police say Rice had thrown the gun used to rob the store out of the truck during the chase, and several hours later, he was arrested. Police say they found that weapon. Ryan Henson, 12 News HD. Erica?
Thanks, Ryan. This